Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to be looking at a Brother 5470 printer. We're going to show you how to replace the drum and reset the drum counter. So it's a really simple process. First thing you're going to do is you're going to push down the button at the top of the front door to open it. Then you're going to remove the drum and toner. They're going to come out together as one unit. Alright, now that we've removed the toner and drum from the printer, we need to separate the toner from the drum. To do that, we press the green tab on the side of the drum. You can lift and remove the toner from the drum. We'll set the old one off to the side. We'll get our new Onyx brand drum. Inside of every Onyx brand drum there should be written instructions to walk you through how to replace this. They come in handy. Alright, so now we've got a new drum. We're going to reinstall the toner into the drum. You should feel it kind of click into place. Once you've installed the toner into the drum, you'll see this green little tab at the top of the drum. You're going to want to slide that the full length of the drum about 2 or 3 times, making sure to end at the same place it started at. You'll see 2 little arrows pointing at each other to indicate where that's at. Once you're done with that, we'll go ahead and reinstall the toner and drum back inside the printer. And then before we close this door, we're going to leave it open. And we are going to press and hold the go button for approximately 4 seconds. And then once you do that, we'll close the door. And just like that, that should take care of resetting the drum so the counter starts all over again. It'll be back up and printing.